Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you super stunning and lovely tops ideas for kids, and WhatsApp number 034563000924 is given on screen for order purpose. If you are from Pakistan, take a screenshot of any specific design which you want to have for your baby girl and send it over to WhatsApp number 034563000924 and book your customized order in any specific size with any pattern and in any color scheme. And after telling the requirements of your order, the order would be made and delivered to you at your home address within 10 to 15 days. You can see very attractive and gorgeous designs are included in this video. You will see patchwork designs mostly, and different types of patchwork designs are included. Other than simple granny square patterns, you will see solid granny square patterns with heart shape inside. You will see granny square patterns with rose flower inside. You will see layer flower designs in this video. So all different types of ideas are included. You can see this beautiful design having a daisy flower inside. So all of these designs are super unique and attractive and are different from each other too. You can see this one as well, which is a very attractive pattern. Separate crochet flower is attached on a granny square pattern, which is also looking very stunning and attractive. So all different types of ideas are included in this video, and I hope you're gonna love them all as well. So if you love them, just give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this if you are new. So just press the red subscribe button, and after that press the bell icon and the all option as well, so that whenever I upload any video you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. You can see very attractive and lovely design and patterns are included in this video, and very attractive and beautiful contrasting color schemes are used in them as well. So you can just take an idea about the color schemes and their patterns as well. So just take a screenshot of any specific design which you like the most and you want to have for your baby girl, or you want to, if you want to gift them to your niece or some other relatives kids, you can also give them as gifts, because these are very attractive and beautiful, perfectly made, customized, made with love gifts, which will have more additional value, emotional value than a regular machine made product. So just give them a try and just share your opinion in the comment box if you love these designing ideas. And if you want to order any other crochet product, you can also contact on the same WhatsApp number 034563000924 to book any specific order of crochet products. So stay connected. Thank you for watching. Bye.